Jharkhand, the land of Birsa Munda, a land of greenery, jungles, hills and plateaus. A land so blessed by God, it hides many treasures in its bosom. There is strength in its industries and a
झारखंड बने इस सोच के साथ हमारी सरकार 16-17 फरवरी को ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टर समिट का आयोजन कर रही है ताकि हमारे राज्य में मेक इन झारखंड में निमित हो और मेक इन इंडिया का सपना करोड़ों देशवासियों का पूरा हो।
The current Raghu,
The dynamic, focused, determined leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister.
also started producing passenger vehicles in the 1990s. However, till today, the Tata name is the first that comes to mind when one thinks of trucks.
यहाँ के फिर मैंने कहा यहाँ के लोग काफ़ी सरल और सीधे हैं। टाटा चल रही है, बोकारो चल रही है, एचईसी चल रही है और इसी तरह हमारे राज्य में संस्थाएं भी XLRI, IMM, तो एक राज्य विकसित राज्य के लिए जो जरूरत की चीज़ है वो सारे झारखंड में।
The resource-rich land of Jharkhand supplies the raw material for many of the industries. Mining is the #1 industry in Jharkhand, and perhaps no other state in India is as blessed in natural resources as this one. Jharkhand is #1 in the production of iron, copper, uranium, kyanite, zinc and asbestos. It ranks second for chromite and is the third largest producer of coal, bauxite and thorium ore. India's largest open-cast mining operation is based in Dhanbad. The coal pits only provide employment to hundreds of thousands of people, and it is used to create electricity as well. The state's thermal plants provide more than enough electricity to the industries. In addition to thermal power, the Damodar Valley Project or DVC provides hydroelectricity via the dam built on the river Damodar. DVC is independent India's first multi-purpose project, and it was implemented along the lines of the Tennessee River Project in America. In changing times, use is also being made of new and non-traditional sources of power. In particular, windmills offer tremendous potential in Jharkhand. With the current state of progress in mind, Jharkhand has fixed a target of 20,000 megawatts of electricity produced by the year 2020.
उत्पादन का लक्ष्य रखा है।
पावर में हमने 2019 तक पावर हब बने, इसके लिए भी हमने पैरेलल शुरुआत कर दी है। आज भी पावर की हमारे पास कमी नहीं है, तो जो ट्रांसमिशन लाइन जो हमें राज्य में दुरुस्त करना है और इसी 16-17 फरवरी को 20,000 करोड़ रुपए का प्राइवेट पब्लिक पार्टनरशिप में एमयू होने जा रहा है और 2019 तक ये बिजली की ट्रांसमिशन लाइन, इसके साथ साथ बिजली का जनरेशन, जो हमारा पतरातू चल का एक प्लांट है अपना स्टेट का, NTPC के साथ हम लोग ने एक जॉइंट वेंचर कंपनी बनाकर 4,000 मेगावाट बिजली का, जिसका या मार्च या अप्रैल में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के हाथों जो साहिबगंज में गंगा पुल का शिलान्यास, एक बंदरगाह का शिलान्यास और ये 4,000 मेगावाट बिजली का जनरेशन का शिलान्यास माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के हाथों संपन्न होने वाला। तो इस तरह पावर के सेक्टर में, क्योंकि बिजली के बिना विकास की कल्पना नहीं की जा सकती है, ये सरकार को पता है।
As I said, we have excellent policies. We have very good industrial policy. We have solar policy. We have energy policy. We have textile policy. We have ITS policy. So our energy policy and the solar policy are, in fact, best, I would say. Very good policies. And we have coal, we have land, we have water. So in the energy sector also, whatever is required by the potential investor is available.
ट्रेड अपने झारखंड के बच्चे बच्चियों को दे, तो कौशल के बल पर हमारे बच्चे बच्चियां में इतनी प्रतिभा है कि दुनिया में झारखंड और देश का नाम रोशन कर सके। तो हमारा फोकस है टेक्सटाइल पर। इस देश का सबसे बढ़िया टेक्सटाइल पॉलिसी झारखंड का बना हुआ है और जिसमें काफ़ी निवेशक आ रहे हैं। 16-17 फरवरी को एमयू भी हो रहा है, उन्हें हमने ज़मीन भी दे दी है और मार्च तक वो काम शुरू हो जाएगी। उसी तरह फूड प्रोसेसिंग प्लांट, यहाँ बागवानी भी काफ़ी होती है सब्जी, तो फूड प्रोसेसिंग प्लांट हमने 10 महीना पहले शुरुआत की थी, वो भी मार्च महीने में हम उद्घाटन करने जा रहे हैं। तो काफ़ी इस राज्य में मैंने फिर कहा कि काफ़ी संभावना हर सेक्टर में।
Jharkhand has also made progress in the areas of medium, small and cottage industries. The government has been encouraging of traditional and forest product-based industries like silk, handicrafts and handloom weaving. For this, the government makes available capital, a space and even guidance. Not only does this encourage people to stand on their own feet, but it also allows them to contribute to the progress of the state.
If you look at the terrain, the state offers immense opportunity in power sector. Food processing. Jharkhand has traditionally been the vegetable growing state, and we've been supplying to West Bengal, Bihar and all the adjoining states. Dairy, fishery, horticulture. So all these sectors have immense scope in the state. Tourism, because nature has provided just about all kinds of terrain here. Tourism, filmmaking. Filmmaking is catching up in the state, and a lot many people have already come, shot their films and have shown interest for the future. IT is another sector which has immense opportunity. Ranchi traditionally has enjoyed excellent weather, good infrastructure, good educational facility, a very cosmopolitan people.
The government doing whatever efforts are being made, it is for them. So they have a better, brighter future. Their children get employment, their per capita income increases, and our GSDP grows and the economy booms.
I'm very glad to say that the state has consistently for the last 2 years figured amongst the top 2 states in ease of doing business. Most importantly, the state is number 1 in labor reforms. The state is creating a certain buzz for investment. We are looking at investment with a view to creation of jobs.
Its natural beauty makes Jharkhand a favorite tourist destination, and so several basic facilities are being improved with a view to encouraging tourism.
Jharkhand is a beautiful state, and God has been so kind to Jharkhand. We have 30% green cover, lovely forest. You must have heard that Saranda is the thickest sal forest in Asia. Waterfalls, beautiful scenic beauty. So from tourism point of view, huge potential. And the challenge is that there is a huge gap in the tourism facilities, hospitality facilities. So this challenge actually becomes a opportunity for the investors. So we're really looking forward to investors in the tourism sector and hospitality sector.
Being a tribal dominated state, Jharkhand has its own unique history and culture that is still nurtured today. The tribal dances of Jharkhand have now found their place on the international stage. The hard work of the people of Jharkhand, its able administration and leadership leave an abiding impression and a message. Jharkhand, the land of the future.